And we're back to learn Photoshop in here, day 188. And let me show the ruler tool. So we have a ruler on top. You can see that, press Ctrl R. We also have a ruler tool right here where the eyedropper tool is. I is the shortcut for it. Right click on this toolbox and then you can left click drag on the canvas to create a line. And it's simply then measured on top. Let me make the rectangle below reddish. And here we can see our measurement line. I can left click drag on the end and start point to reposition that. So if you want to have a perfect result, it should look like this. Then we have width, height, X and Y position, and an angle, and also a length, which is here indicated by L1. And this changes in real time as you move it around. And a horizontal straight line has an angle of 0, a vertical has an angle of 90 degrees. So this is just the default orientation for this ruler tool. You can always clear it right there. Let me show you a triangle. I'll make that red as well. Now we measure that, and as the horizontal line is 0 as an angle, vertical is 90 degrees, we now know that this angle right here from bottom to the left hand side is around 63-64 degrees. Once again, you can see that in real time. So if I drag this from the bottom from 0 outwards to the left hand side, just watch the angle changing from 0 to around 63-64 degrees. But now if you want to measure the angle on top, so from left hand to right hand, well, you can use simple math, but there's also a shortcut that we can use, which is Alt. Just watch the cursor. If I hover over start and end point while holding Alt, it should change to this angle icon. And then I can drag a second line out of there. And this is what L2, length 2 stands for. It's for the length of the second line. And now it measures the angle between the two lines that I've drawn. Let me do it again. So first line, L1, the angle is calculated from the default of 0. Now I'll hold Alt, drag the second line out of there, watch what happens to L2. It now gets a value and the angle changes to around 52, 53. And this is how I can use the ruler tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.